eBay success isn't luck. It's these 3 proven tips that help you move the needle and increase sales. And the first one is called brute force listing creation. And this is when you create multiple listings on eBay. They have a different price, a different image, and a different title to help you get seen in different categories. So if you're selling a straw like this that helps with hiccups, you can put hiccup relief in the title. Another one, you can put stops hiccups fast, and so on. So that way you can double down and figure out which listing does the best and show up in as many places as possible on eBay. You can see that this listing looks completely different. So it's actually tricking customers to think that they're ordering a different listing when it's actually all the same seller, right? So that really helps. And most of these listings are by the same exact seller. That helps us show up in multiple areas. And this is the fastest way to generate sales on eBay if you have a lot of one unit or you're private labeling, right? Number 2 is going to be the last one trick. And we can see right here on this listing, they've got 11,000 sold and it says last one, yet they've got bulk savings. It makes no sense. What they're doing is they're doing this trick, and it's called an inventory control trick that makes it show that there's only one left. When somebody purchases one, it automatically goes back to a set limit, right? There's a tool called 3D Sellers. It's 3dsellers.com that introduces this and has a tool, and it's called inventory control. What you do is you turn on warehouse inventory. So you say, I have 1,000 units at my house, right? But you want eBay to only show 1 in stock or only 3 in stock. What happens is if you only have 1 left in stock, it makes it seem to eBay buyers that, oh my gosh, there's only 1 left. Let me buy it now. This does increase prices. Right when they buy it, the tool on 3D Sellers automatically puts it back to 1 in stock or to 3 in stock or to 4 in stock. So it automatically puts it back. And that way customers think, oh my gosh, they're running out of stock, more likely to order it. You generate more sales. eBay naturally pushes you towards the first page since there's only 1 left in stock. So a lot of benefits with this one, but you do have to use a paid tool, which is 3D Sellers. And we do have a link to all of our apps in the description with a discount if you want to check that out. Last but not least is going to be your listing information, which is going to be at the bottom of the description, and that's adding images in your description. You want to make sure you are adding images in your description. This is going to get you to stand out as well, look more professional, more trusted instantly compared to a seller that doesn't. In order to do this, you can use another tool called Crazy Lister. They do have a free trial, right? And you can go to crazylister.com. They are partnered with eBay, and it will help push you to page number 1. So this will also increase sales. But again, in order, I recommend number 1, you do the brute force listing because it's free. It will work. Number 2 is the last one trick that will increase sales, especially as we get towards the holiday season. And then number 3 is putting more information in your description, such as photos, and making it more professional. And utilizing the tool called Crazy Lister, since they have a partnership with eBay, will increase sales as well. And that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full eBay account management service. We'll be managing this for you, helping your inventory control, 3D Sellers, Crazy Lister optimization, brute force attack creation. So we're always creating more listings and helping you generate more sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
No. Soon.